Friendship.
Exploring.
Wildlife.
Growing. Nature.
Adventure.
Wilderness.
Playing.
So Natural Pathways Learning Center is a not-for-profit organization that started about 3 years ago in 2016 to offer forest school programs to Windsor and Essex County. Our programs are play-based, place-based, and child interest-led programs. So that looks like a lot of connecting with nature in every manner that we find it.
I love everything about forest school. I think that it's the coolest thing in the world that we can actually be outside all day long, no matter what the weather is. I love that we don't just stop when it's winter time because it's cold, or we don't stop when it's raining. I like that we're always outside and we're always learning.
We follow children's interests. We have an educator-supported program, and that what the children are interested in through play drives the learning.
We don't need too many things to learn. We can pick up a leaf, we can discuss where it comes from. There's just so much to learn and to explore, and that's what I think that I love the most. I love that forest school is accessible to everyone, no matter who they are, no matter what age, no matter what type of person, no matter socioeconomic status. It's just open for everyone. Everything at forest school centers around child-based learning, and what that looks like is that yes, we may come to forest school to a certain session with a plan in mind as an educator. However, it's based on the child and what they are interested in doing in that moment in time. And we take what they're interested in and we work with that throughout the entire day.
We have a plan, but our plan sometimes gets superseded by what the children's plan is for the day. We uncover the learning through nature, through our connection to this place and this space.
Hiking is really fun. Playing with my friends.
Have fun and be cool.